Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on uninstalling programs on Windows 10. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Let's begin. Start by opening up Windows Search. Search for and open Control Panel. In the Control Panel, click on Uninstall a program from the bottom left of the options. You will now be shown a list of all the programs currently installed on your PC. Once you have found the one you want to uninstall, right-click on it and then select Uninstall. Confirm you want to uninstall to remove this program from your computer. You should go through your list of programs and uninstall any that you don't use anymore or you don't recognize. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows tips and tricks.